In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable hardware acceleration in Firefox in just a few simple steps. This is a useful fix if Firefox is lagging, freezing, glitching, or causing display issues, and it can sometimes improve performance on certain computers. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Firefox on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click the three-line menu icon. This opens the main Firefox menu. From the list, select Settings. Once the Settings page opens, use the search bar and type Performance. This will help you quickly find the correct section without scrolling through everything manually. Now scroll down until you reach the Performance section. Here you'll see an option that says Use Recommended Performance Settings. Uncheck that box first. As soon as you do that, more options will appear underneath it. Now look for Use Hardware Acceleration when available, and uncheck that box as well. This is the key setting that turns off hardware acceleration in Firefox. After making those changes, the next step is very important. Restart your browser to apply the changes properly. You can close Firefox completely and open it again so the new settings take effect. Once Firefox restarts, hardware acceleration will be disabled. If you were having issues with video playback, graphics, or browser responsiveness, this may help improve stability. And that's it. You've successfully disabled hardware acceleration in Firefox. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful browser and computer tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.